Hello, my friends, and welcome to coding exercise number 7. In this exercise, we are asked to write a Java program to count the number of even and odd elements in a given array of integers. For example, we have 5, 7, 2, 4, 9. These are the elements inside this array. We need to count the odd elements and the even elements. Odd elements 5, 7, 9, and the even elements 2, 4. So it will display for us, the program will display number of even elements is 2, the number of odd elements is 3. Pause the video and think about how to solve such a problem and such as an exercise. And by the way, I am waiting your solutions. Please write down in the comments below your solution in order to help you understanding what your problem is, or where is the missing things that we can advise you to concentrate, and we teach and help you in order to solve these exercises. And welcome again. I hope you solve it well. I will start creating the array that we need to check for the even and odd elements. This is the array 5, 7, 2, 4, 9. And I will start by even counter equal to 0 and int odd counter is equal to 0. Okay, so I will start checking for loop. I told you whenever you deal with arrays, you need to think about using the for loops and the loops in general. I equal to 0. I will be going until nums.length is reached at I++. If the nums at index I modulo 2 is the key to check for even and or odd. This modulo 2 is used to check for parity. Okay, so if it is modulo 2, the remainder will equal to 0, then there is no remainder, so it will be an even. For example, 10 modulo 2, it will give me 0 because the division will result in 5 and no remainder is remained. So the 10 is an even. I need to increase the even counter by 1. Else I will increase the odd counter by 1. Okay? Then I need to display, after for loop, I need to display the result system.out.println the number of even numbers, and here I need to print odd numbers, and here I will display the counter of even, and here I will display the odd counter. Okay, let me run with coverage here. And here we go. In our example, the number of even numbers are 2 and 4. And the number of odd numbers is 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, so congratulations, guys. I hope you solve it well and solve it like me. Please, if you have any question or any doubt, you need us to help you. Please write it down in your in the comments below, and please support us by rating our course 5 stars on Udemy to make more and more exercises and help many people.